The next video. In today's video I will show you how you can drastically reduce your Flutter application size without doing a lot of work. So firstly, the common tip is that is to use WebP images instead of JPEG or PNG. So what I have done is so this is the original image, which you can see it is almost 3.76 MB, and if I try to convert it to a WebP image, it is almost 1.41 MB. Like, you can reduce the size even more. Like, I have used 75% encoding, but if you reduce that percent, you can even compress it more. Now, to convert any image to a WebP image, you can either do it via Android Studio. So if you want to do it via Android Studio, just drag and drop your image inside drawable folder. Like, create an Android application and drag and drop your image inside drawable folder and just right click on it, and it will show you an option of converting to WebP. Or you can use an online tool as well. Like, there are a lot of online tools which convert images to WebP as well. So first tip is to use WebP images. Do not use this JPEG or PNG. They are very large in size. So that is the one tip. And while displaying, you just have to use it like normal images. So here you can see, if I see the duplicate image, so this is how you will use it. As simple as that. Next important, so this will reduce your size of your application drastically. Next important tip is, this is specifically for Android. So go to your build.gradle, and I have set the mean HDK version to 21. Next, what you will have to do is, you will have to go to release, inside build types, release, and you will have to add these two lines. Now once you add these two lines, this will drastically reduce your application size, but this will be only visible inside a release APK. It won't be visible inside debug APK. Also, this change is not as simple as it sounds. So once you do this, like minified, enable, and shrink resources, if you are adding any third-party dependency inside your pubspec.yaml, for all the dependencies, you will have to go to their documentation and check whether they mention anything about adding some rules inside your ProGuard rules.pro file. So I will show you one dependency from React Native. Like, it will be same for Flutter as well. So here it says that if you are adding this dependency inside your project, and if you are enabling minified, enable, and shrink resources, you will have to add this rule to your ProGuard rules.pro file. So just copy this rule from your documentation of any third-party library which you are using. You will have to go to okay, where is that file? Settings, no, local properties. I wonder whether they have removed it or what. Okay, let me show you inside a native Android application. If it is not present, like, you can just so I will try to open the Android folder inside Android Studio. Maybe that's how it is visible. Okay, so here you can see it is named as flutter ProGuard rules.pro. So here you will have to add all the rules which are specified inside your dependency. If you don't add it, then your application will crash definitely. So this will almost, like, if you have a large project with around 5 to 10 dependency, I can guarantee that it will at least reduce your application size by 2 to 3 MB. It, in some cases, it might reduce even 5 to 6 MB. So yeah, that's it. Even if you don't have any dependencies, that's great. Like, you can just enable it, minified, enable, and shrink resources. If you are not using any kind of dependency, that's fine. Then you don't have to write anything inside the ProGuard rules.pro file. But do check the Flutter documentation if the Flutter framework itself require any ProGuard rules or not. But yeah, I think that should work. Thank you for watching. Bye.